Scallion Braised Eggs. A common home-style Chinese dish that can be easily made at home. Perfect to serve with steamed rice. Prepare 5 eggs and beat them well. Add a small amount of white vinegar. Cut scallions diagonally into chunks. Cut scallions diagonally into thin shreds. Prepare the sauce. 3 tablespoons light soy sauce. A small amount of sesame oil. White pepper to taste. An appropriate amount of oyster sauce. Add some water and mix well. A small amount of sugar. Add an appropriate amount of cooking oil. Add the scallion shreds and fry slowly over low heat. Fry until golden. Increase the heat. Pour in the beaten eggs and cook until just set. Add the scallion chunks and stir fry. Pour in the prepared sauce. Add the prepared potato starch slurry. Add the remaining scallions. Done. Welcome to subscribe to my channel.